Hello guys and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Contacts Plus Action Automation for Workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on your sidebar and click on App Marketplace. And in App Marketplace, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install. When you find the application, click on it. And from here, on this interface, click Install and allow an install. When that's done, refresh your page and scroll down on your sidebar to click on the custom page of the application you installed. When you find the custom page, just click on it. On the interface that pops up, we have a series of very important tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which has information about the application. The next tab is the tutorials tab that contains resources that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. And up next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To do that, start by copying your redirect URL and clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your Contacts Plus account online, click on your profile, then click on Settings. In Settings, click on Developer, and from there, click on Create New Application. Fill the necessary fields. The first one is the application name, the next is description, and after you have to input a link that has more information about the application, and finally, you'd have to paste your redirect URL that you copied earlier, and click on Create App. Next, copy the client's ID, head back to your account and paste it where required. Finally, copy the client's secret, head back to your account and paste it where required. Then you click Complete Setup. From there, click on Authorize. And as you can see, the application has been set up successfully. Up next is the Support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. And you could also use the changelog to get notified each time a change is made in the application by toggling this on and filling in your email address. The changelog serves to keep you up to date with any changes that have been made in the application. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.